This is a new to me 2016 Ram EcoDiesel. I got a good deal on it, but for close to $40,000 truck, it comes with a plastic insert that goes here and also a plastic def. I was at a gas station, it was real windy, and that little plastic crap blew off because there's no way of holding it or whatever. Anyways, I ordered these on Amazon, quick fix, 15 bucks. I'll put a link on the description. Has a magnet to hold while you're pumping gas so it doesn't fly off like the original plastic crap. Pretty strong. Just put it in. I'm gonna need a screwdriver to pry that off. I don't even know if I want this, but let's try to take that off. And this one actually has a ridge around. I don't know if you can see it right there. You can actually put that plastic on. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera steady. Oh, all right. That'll make it easier. All right, so this thing just snapped off. Just pulled it out. That was it. Let's try to get rid of this plastic. That's very nice. Nice billet aluminum. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Nice. And where did this thing go? Oh, here it is. There he goes. Nice.